In front of you are 3 mystery gift boxes: gold, black, and pink. 2 boxes hide amazing surprises, and 1 box contains a shocking twist. Pick wisely, and let's begin. Choose your motorbike: speed, style, or pure power. What's your pick? Choose your cake. A sweet choice can change everything. Choose your car. Your dream ride is waiting. Choose your villa, luxury living or cozy vibes. Choose your task, easy, medium, or hard. Decide carefully. Choose your pool. Time to dive into fun. Choose your house. Which one truly feels like home? Choose your shoes: casual, sporty, or classy. Choose your lamp. Light up your style. Choose your ship. Are you ready to sail the seas? Choose your jet ski. Adventure mode is on. Choose your island. Your tropical dream awaits. Choose your dress. It's fashion time. Choose your sofa, comfort or luxury. Choose your TV. Get ready for movie night. Choose your gaming room. Level up your setup. Choose your pizza: cheesy, spicy, or fully loaded. Choose your phone. Pick your dream device. Choose your fridge: smart or stylish. Choose your cake again. One more sweet decision. Choose your mouse, gaming mode or work mode. Choose your watch. Time to shine. Choose your kitchen. Chef energy unlocked. Choose your living room, where comfort meets style. Choose your wardrobe, fashion storage goals. Choose your hairstyle. A new look is unlocked. Choose your headphones. Music lovers, pick your style. Choose your ice cream. Cold, colorful, and delicious. Choose your vacation place, beach, city, or mountains. Choose your pet, cute or cool. Who's your buddy? Choose your dessert, delicious and tasty. Subscribe now and get a cookie.